In this video, I'm going to teach you a very useful tutorial on how to change DNS to 1.1.1.1, a Cloudflare DNS here in your Windows 11. So without any further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to proceed here at the button search bar and type for panel. Once you've typed it, kindly wait until you'll see a best match, which is a control panel system. And once it's here, please navigate to the right side and click on open option to continue. The moment you click on it, in a few moments you would be able to see this kind of window where here you would be able to see all of the computer settings that you can adjust. So first you need to change the view into large category. So by that, go with view by, click on this down arrow key and set it into large icons. Once set, you need to locate for network and sharing center, which is in my case that is being placed here at the third column next to indexing options. To click in that one, the moment you click on it, you would be able to view your basic network information and set up connections. Here, please proceed to the left pane and there you can see change adapter settings. Click on this one. And the moment you click on it, you would be able to open this window called Network Connections. So here's the catch. If you are connected to a network cable, then you need to select this and Ethernet. And on the contrary, if you are connected to a Wi-Fi or wireless Wi-Fi, then you need to select the Wi-Fi. Once you've selected it, in my case, I am currently connecting to a Wi-Fi. That's why I'm choosing this one. So please make a right click and click on Properties. And once done, you will be able to bring up this new window called Wi-Fi properties, where here you need to find for Internet Protocol version 4 or TCP or IPv4. Then click on the properties here and there you can see this small window, which is the Internet Protocol version 4 properties. So first, you need to ensure that the IP address has been obtained automatically. Turn this on. And once done, if in your case it is being obtained in a server address automatically as well, please choose for use the following DNS server addresses and please type the Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1, and the second Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.0.0.1. Once you're good, click on the OK button and click on close and close this window and then restart your computer. So navigate here at the start. And from here, you need to proceed to your power menu option and go with restart. Now, there is a need to restart your computer in order to make any changes. And in order for the actions to take an effect, restart your computer. Once you have restarted it, you will be able to successfully set the Cloudflare DNS, which is 1.1.1.1 as your DNS server here in your Windows 11. Okay? So that's it. If you think this video had helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching and have a good day, everyone.